Hi, I'm Miss Laurie from the Thomas Crane Public Library, and today I'm making a special treat for Harry Potter's birthday celebration, which is Butterbeer. So you need some caramel sauce, some cream soda, and for the topping you're going to need some whipping cream, a little bit of vanilla, some sugar, and let me just show you the first step, which is you put 1 tablespoon of the caramel sauce into the bottom of the mug. Then you add 2 tablespoons of the cream soda. And this gets stirred around until the caramel sauce becomes kind of thin and a little bit watery. You don't want to put all the cream soda in at once, because if you stir it around a lot, then you get rid of all the bubbles and the carbonation. So that's why we do this step first. It's good. You can pour in the rest of the cream soda. Wait for that to go down a little bit. That has not lost its bubble. Very carbonated. Okay, so that should be good. So the bubbles go down a little bit. This is the whipped cream. So the 1 cup of whipped cream, the half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of the caramel topping. So this is the whipped cream that has the special ingredients to go on the top. Yum! So you might want to make it easier and just use some canned whipped cream, and then you can drizzle the caramel sauce on the top. And nice and pretty. Should be delicious. Alright, so for more Harry Potter birthday ideas, you could go to thomascranelibrary.org. So have a nice day and see you next time.